Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 15th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro-dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to continue to trend in the coming months. Most likely eventually end up taking out these highs. I still think that one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels is the most likely place for this to end a trend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still believe on the weekly time frame this first push up is a 1. I still think this is an expanding flat wave 2. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down, higher high wave B, lower low wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat. I think this first move up would be a wave 1, a subdivision of wave 3, so a 1 of 3. I think this is a 2 of 3, and I still think this is possibly just going to keep on going up for that wave 3 of wave 3. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have had a pretty impulsive move down over the last day or so. The market was very sideways at the beginning of the week, but then we had a very impulsive move down. I actually still believe strongly that this move down is a correction to this last push up. I actually think this right here is a 1, this is a 2, and this is all subdivisions of a big wave 3. I still think we're in a very early stages of this wave 3, and I think over the coming weeks and possibly even months, this is going to continue to make high, low, and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we didn't really bounce off a fib level, and we do have some pretty important dollar news coming out today, so we do have to be careful. But to me, it does look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A. Looks like 1, 2, 3B. It looks like a complete trend already for a wave C. It's going to be interesting to see what this news this afternoon does, because as of right now, it looks like it's trying to end the correction already. I'm hoping that this is just going to keep on trending up. I think there's a pretty good chance that today's news is probably just going to help this continue the uptrend. The trend is definitely up on the higher time frames to me, so I am for sure looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can now start to see the trend, which is the trend for the wave C. And we definitely do have a break of structure, which I think pretty much confirms that the wave C is over. Now, we have some news that we got to get through this afternoon to really confirm that this is the end of a correction, but I feel like this is more likely now to continue to make high, low, high, lows, high, lows. Maybe today's news will cause it to go down a little bit, which is actually a great opportunity probably to go long again. I think this is a big wave 3 on all the higher time frames. I think this push down yesterday was just a wave C of a big uptrend, like a subdivision ABC correction of a big uptrend, which that uptrend most likely is a wave 3 in my opinion. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and also don't forget to take a look at my brand new website, linked at the bottom left corner down here. So, as always, happy trading.